Hello and welcome back. I'm sorry it's been such a long time since I've posted. I wanted to give you a quick heads up. I'm sorry again for the late notice. That I have a live webinar coming up. They'll do a tutorial on how to create stunning city scenes using PD Howler and a little program called JS Placement, which is a free program. And in this tutorial, says we'll be creating things like height maps like this, which have all these nice straight lines and whatnot, which work really well in Puppy Ray to create city scenes. So I'll be talking about that. You can take and with those make a really neat render here in Puppy Ray, nice and simple render. And then you can take and drop this in as a background in Daz Studio or in Poser to be able to then add characters and things to it. Once you've added the characters and rendered that out, you can take it back into PD Howler and add some special effects, and you can get some really neat city scenes that way. Great either fantasy, urban, horror you could do. So some really cool things. And we'll also be talking about the new polar warp map, which allow it to create, cool Atlantis-like scenes and things in PD Howler. If you want to get up close and personal, you can also use those maps to, create a nice city scene where we've got a plaza here, or maybe a rooftop. So I really hope to see you all live there. You can ask questions and things that way. I'll put the link down below, and it's digital live arts.com, and then say menu and then events. Like I said, I'll put the menus down below. I do have some other tutorials that I've done with Digital Arts Live, and I'll put the links to those as well if you want some longer tutorials than the ones that I do here on YouTube. So I really look forward to seeing you again. I'm really sorry about the short heads up, and I hope you can join me tomorrow. And those lots of cool free things, as well as learning about some of the new things that we can do with PD Howler. And look forward to talking to you all. All right, thanks. Bye.